Hello dear students, I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. Welcome to your favorite channel, PVN Science Study.
Hello dear students, in last video we have studied morphological and floral characteristics of Amaranthaceae family. Amaranthaceae is economically important family and contains many plants which are economically important. In this video we are going to study plants of economic importance of Amaranthaceae family one by one. This is very common plant of Amaranthaceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Amaranthus blitium. It is also known as chaulai. The plant is cultivated commercially for its leaves which are used as leafy vegetable. So here we can see the leaves of the plant. This is the inflorescence and flowers of the plant, and the leaves of the plant they are used as a vegetable. So here this is the photograph where we can see that how the vegetable is prepared from these leaves of the plant. Then this is another plant which is also look like the previous one. The botanical name of the plant is Amaranthus spinosus. The difference between Amaranthus blitium and this Amaranthus spinosus is here it contains the spines. So as you can see here, it is described as spinosus. Amaranthus spinosus is also used as wild leafy vegetable which is rich in nutrients. Then this is another leafy vegetable of Amaranthaceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Amaranthus tricolor because it contains three colors, and so the species name is given as tricolor. This is also leafy vegetable where the leaves of the plant they are used as vegetable and eaten. Dear students, you might have recognized this plant. Yes, the botanical name of the plant is Amaranthus paniculata, commonly known as Rajgira. So this is the plant which is cultivated in farm. It contains stem, leaves as well as the inflorescence. Here also you can see the inflorescence of the plant. This Amaranthus paniculata is cultivated for seeds which are eaten in religious fasting, as well as it is best source of iron. It contains large amount of iron. Here you can see that these are the laddus as well as chickpeas prepared from the seeds of Rajgira, that is Amaranthus paniculata. Then this is another very familiar plant to you. Botanical name of the plant is Acheranthus aspera. In Marathi it is called as aghada. This is the photograph of the plant where we can see that how flourishly it is growing on common places. This is another very beautiful photograph where we can see stem as well as the leaves and inflorescence of Acheranthus aspera. Dear friends, as you know that it is a common weed and it is used in the treatment of piles, boils, cough, dropsy, hydrophobia and on insect bite. This aghada plant also has religious importance. Then this is very beautiful plant. Botanical name of the plant is Artonanthera amoena. It is used as vegetable and it is also cultivated in Bengal, Orissa and Tamil Nadu. Then this is very beautiful ornamental plant belonging to Amaranthaceae family. Botanical name of the plant is Comphrena globosa, commonly known as gentleman's button, because here the inflorescence of the plant is look like buttons. As you can see here, it contains very beautiful inflorescence. The plant is cultivated in garden as an ornamental plant for its bright colored beautiful heads. Then this is also very familiar plant to you. Botanical name of the plant is Celosia argentea. It is commonly known as coxcomb or kurdu in Marathi. This is actual photograph of the plant, and here we can see very beautiful inflorescence of this plant. This is common weed. This is very much common in Konkan as well as in Maharashtra region. The plant is also used as wild vegetable due to nutrient rich contents. Then this is another species of Celosia. Botanical name of the plant is Celosia cristata. As you can see here, this plant produces very beautiful inflorescences, and so the plant is cultivated in gardens as an ornamental plant for its bright colorful inflorescences. So earlier was wild, and this is the ornamental plant of Celosia. Dear friends, this is another plant which is also very economically important and beautiful. Botanical name of the plant is Amaranthus caudatus. As you can see here, this is very beautiful plant due to its very brightly colored inflorescence as well as attractive leaves, and so therefore it is cultivated in garden as an ornamental plant. Dear friends, with this we have completed all the plants of economic importance of Amaranthaceae family. Thank you.